Blindsided, the channel to learn, implement, and succeed.
Hello, welcome back to Blindsided. This is Carla Rivas Parker, and today I'm going to share some keyboard shortcuts so you can navigate with ease YouTube, which is a very important channel we use to learn. I will share my computer, that way you can follow step by step what I do in it. Okay, here we are back in YouTube, and now we're gonna search for a topic. So let's go to the edit button.
No next edit box. Banner, search, combo edit, scan off.
Okay, we're gonna search for best places to live in America.
Cap B, E, P, E, O, V, space,
In Arizona.
in, N,
Arizona.
28, top 10 best states to live in America for 2023, scan.
Okay, so I'm gonna search.
Link, top 10 the best places to live in Arizona, Nowhere Diary by Nowhere Diary 1 year ago 8 minutes.
I'm gonna push enter here.
In this busy life, people don't have time to enjoy
Complimentary,
natural beauty.
YouTube,
However, there are some places in the world where
Scan
you
off.
see natural beauty all around you.
space,
All right, in order to use keyboard shortcuts, we are gonna be using scan off and narrator. I pause with pushing spacebar, and I can resume playing with spacebar as well. I can use the letter K for the same function.
K.
In this video, I'll talk about beautiful places in Arizona where you can enjoy peace of mind.
K.
All right. So if we want to fast forward or rewind, we can use arrow keys, left and right. Left to rewind and right to fast forward by 5 seconds. So if we push several times, we either go forward or backwards 5-6 seconds every time you push that. So if you are listening to something and you just want to capture like a shortcut or a number or something, that's the key you want to press to have it repeat to you. You can also use the J and the L, and those ones will rewind or fast forward by 10 seconds. So I can try and show you that.
Space.
Stay tuned. Hello and welcome back to my channel Nowhere Diary. Today, I'll be covering 10 places. Hello and welcome back to my channel Nowhere Diary. Today, I'll be covering tuned. Hello and welcome back to my channel Nowhere Diary. Today,
Space.
So here I was executing the left arrow key for rewinding 5 seconds, and you heard like 3 times I went back to the same point. Now I'm gonna let play a little bit more, and then I will try the J to rewind.
I'll
Space.
be covering 10 places that you can consider in Arizona. These places are the best you can count.
J.
Hello and welcome back to my channel Nowhere Diary. Today, I'll be covering 10 places that you can consider in Arizona. These places are the best you can.
J.
Stay tuned. Hello and welcome back to my channel Nowhere Diary.
Space.
So as you saw, it went back to the beginning almost at the 10 seconds. We can fast forward as well using the L or the right arrow key.
Today,
Space.
I'll be covering 10 places.
L.
Also, turn on that
L.
features the creativity of architecture.
L.
Unlike ordinary water fountains, it can thrust the water around 500
L.
with their loved ones. The average age of people here, number 9, Tucson. Tucson in Arizona offers.
We can use the up and down arrow keys to increase volume. I'm gonna push up arrow key now.
And for travelers who want to spend some time
I'm
relaxing, Tucson.
I'm pushing down arrow key and I just hold it down and it changes the volume.
The average age of people living in Tucson is 38 years, shows that it attracts
Okay,
adults more
that's
than
appropriate
teenagers or old
volume.
people. The city is famous for
I
its
can
inside shops,
increase the
restaurants, and eclectic
speed
boutiques.
by
Students prefer
doing
living in Tucson as it is
shift
home to the University of
and
Arizona.
period,
Students
or
don't have to worry
decrease
about the
the
expensive
speed
rents
by
and
doing
hostel rooms,
shift
as this
and
hip town
comma.
doesn't put much burden on their wallets.
Greater than sign.
place to settle with your family? Tucson in Arizona.
Greater than sign. Greater than sign.
Here we have one of the lowest populated cities in Arizona. With a population of over 6,700 people, Litchfield Park turns out to be among the most comfortable places in the country. If you think that because of its low population finding a house would be difficult, then you're wrong. It offers not many, but few new
Less than sign.
that you can choose,
Less than
depending on your
sign.
needs.
Less than sign.
The city has a quality education.
Greater than
system.
sign.
Make it a perfect place to raise your kids. The high school graduation level at Litchfield Park is 97%, which is way more than the state average.
Space.
As we could hear, we performed these shortcuts as we were playing. We also could move in our video by percentages by using the numbers above the letters. From 0 to 9, 0 will put you at the beginning of the video, 1 at 10%, 2 at 20%, 3 at 30%, until you get to 9 at 90%. And so that way you can move back and forth between your video. It's important also know that if you want to see the screen in full screen mode, you can press the letter F as the video is playing. Let's try that.
Space.
The average age of people living here is 46.1 years, which shows that
F.
most of the population is married and has kids.
F.
Litchfield Park.
Space.
I push it several times, it's not responding.
Scan. Button. Scan off.
Okay.
F. Banner. Guide. Button. Scan. Scan off. K.
So they can give their kids the best live.
K. F. Alert. Press ESC to exit full screen. Press ESC.
Okay, now we have it in full screen. For some reason, it wasn't working. And that may happen to you. So I'm glad it happens to me right now, because what I did was go back to scan mode and scan mode off. And my test was the letter K for pause and play until I got that one working. Then I try again the F, and this time it works. So sometimes it takes a little bit of patience and do the tricks over until we get the computer to respond. Sometimes it's not our fault, it's basically the system. All right, so let's pause. Let's play again here.
Banner. Button. On.
And I think I am out again. So I'm gonna do my narrator space.
Scan off.
There you go. So we can jump between future different videos by doing shift and the letter N.
Cap N. Complimentary. YouTube video player in full screen.
The state of Arizona. But if you did, where would you live? Well, today you're on luck because we're discussing the top 10 places to live in the state of Arizona.
Cap N.
Next one.
Cap P. Space.
Spacebar to pause. Okay, so those basically will really allow you to have control of your video that is playing. Two more things that are important in YouTube is if you like a specific channel and you want to subscribe, we can do that. So in this case, what I'll do is I will put the narrator view mode on.
Scan.
Okay. And here I'm gonna go by buttons until I hear subscribe.
Watch later. Play. K. Next. Mute keyboard. View chapter. Autoplay is off. Subtitle. Exit full screen. Scroll for details. Show chat replay. Subscribe to Living in Arizona Now. Button.
It says subscribe to Live in Arizona Now. I'm gonna push enter here.
28. 7 Best Places to Live in Arizona 2023. YouTube.
And it took us back to the top of the page. And I will
Subscription added.
it. We wait a little bit, and it told us subscription added. So now, if you wanna give a like to this video, we're gonna navigate again down with the letter B.
Banner, guide, skip navigate, clear, search with, create, notifications, YouTube video player, play keyboard, next keyboard, mute keyboard, short, view chapter, autoplay is off, subtitle, exit full scroll for, show chat replay, current setting is personal, like this video along with 703 other people, button, off.
Okay, here's like this video, and we'll press a space bar.
704 likes, button, on.
And it says on. Okay, that's all what I wanted to share with you today. Remember, if you can learn, you can implement, and if you implement, you can succeed. Please subscribe to my channel now that you know how, and give a like to the video if you like this video. And if you have suggestions for other topics, please don't hesitate to share those suggestions with me. I'll be happy to prepare more topics of your interest. We'll see you next time in the next episode. Bye.